Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna talk about the length function in Python. It is very easy and very simple. I'm going to tell you what is the length function and how can you put it into action. How can you actually use it in your code? So let's jump into it without further ado. What is len or length function in Python? It is a built-in function that allows you to know how many characters in a string. For example, if my name is Alex, I want to know how many characters is in Alex, which is, let's count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, ALEX. That is so easy, right? But Python needs to get it differently. First of all, I can make a string, my name equals Alex. And then I want to know how many indexes inside this strings or how many characters inside this string. I can simply use the len function. That's what the len do. So how can I use it? It's very, very simple. You can use len, open the parentheses and put the variable name, my name. Check. Boom, that's it. It's very, very easy. It doesn't need to be complicated. If you want to print it down, you can simply add print and put it between parentheses. Here you have number 4. That's perfect, right? So that is what the length function in Python. But what I want to explain to you, so you have a deeper understanding and more knowledge about what is length function. I want to delete all of this and I want to make a new function that does exactly the same, but it's a function that I'm going to build. So I can say length underscore counter, for example. And I will set this function to take one variable, right? And then I will make another variable equals to 0. I will call it counter. And then I'll start a for loop for I in word counter plus equal 1 return counter. If you don't understand, it's fine. I'm going to explain what is going on right now. But before that, if you're following up with me, let me call the function that I just built. Length counter and Alex. Again, it's 4. It's the same result that we just got with another one. So to break this down, let's go line by line on this code. First of all, as any other function, I created a new function from the scratch called length counter, and then I assigned one variable to it, word. This word means the string that I'm going to input. All right. Now I also put the counter because we are going to count how many characters in the string word. So we will start with 0, and then in order to go one by one for the word or for the string that we have, we need a for loop. For loop goes from character or from the index number 0 until the last index in the string given, right? And every time that it goes to one of the indexes, I wanted to add 1 to the counter. So if I put only the letter A, the for loop will work only once because there is only one index, one character. So the counter equals 1 because we added. But if I added hello, my name is Alex, the for loop will keep, it's 21, see? The for loop went 21 times through the string until it reached the X letter and then it stopped. That's how the len function works. I hope this makes sense to you. Write down in the comments what problems did you find while trying this code. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. That is going to help me a lot continue and reach my dream and to provide you with this free learning experience that I'm going through every day. Thank you so much and see you in the next one.